Hey everyone, I hope everybody's having a great morning, noon, night, afternoon, whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And today, yes y'all, I had to go try it. I went to go get churches. Trying the new shrimp that they have. It's $5 for 8 shrimp. Plus I got their new creamy lemon herb sauce. That's what it says, but it's tartar sauce. This is their regular tartar sauce. So let's try this out. Let's see what this is all about. I've heard people talk about it, that it is so good, so yummy. I just wanted to try it myself. I got me some okra. I even got some potatoes. It comes with 2 sides, so whenever you get the shrimp, you get the $5 box, comes with 2 regular sides, and you have to add the drink. It doesn't come with the drink. Here's the potatoes. And it comes with 1 biscuit. I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's a good portion of food that you get. So, I mean, that's really good. Here, I'll put this little guy back here. Hold on, baby. There's the shrimp. Look how pretty that looks. And I'm going to try that new, woo, he fell. I think this one's it. There's the tartar sauce. This is the lemon one. Tastes pretty good. I like it. Tastes real good. The sauce. And you can't have biscuits without honey. Let's see if I can open this little guy. So, how's everybody's day going? Just got out of work. I was gonna stay late at work today, but it's raining. It's one of those sluggish days that you want to be at home. You want to cuddle up in bed and watch movies or read a book or, you know, something of that nature. I mean, that's what it feels like today. It's like one of those relaxing days. You just want to relax. Too bad I had to go to work, but hey. I get the weekends off, so that's a good thing. I just got me a drink. That will cover it right there. Today went by pretty fast. I thought that, you know, maybe it was gonna drag on today and like be like, oh, it's gonna take forever, I'm ready to go home. But no, it didn't. by the time I knew it, it was already time for lunch. And then I was doing the stuff that I had to do um, at lunchtime, my paperwork that I had to do. I was doing all that. By the time I knew it was already 3 o'clock. I was like, wow. Time does time does go by fast when you're doing something, Because I know before, um, where I had this one job. This was before, like, way back. But, like, sometimes I would be busy. Sometimes I wouldn't. And, like, the days I wouldn't be busy at all, like, there wasn't no busyness at all. Like, it was just, like, a slow day. I hated those days. It was like, it took forever for the time to go by. So, yeah. Oh, these shrimps. I'm looking for a certain one. I don't know. I always look for like a certain one and then I'll eat it, but I'll go back to the ones that I've been throwing around. I don't know. I'm just weird. There's a little spice to it. I don't know if it's the lemon sauce or if it's like it has like a pepper taste. It's good. Have y'all ever, I don't know if everybody has churches where they live. If y'all do, have y'all tried the new shrimp? Excuse me. The new shrimp platter. It's called shrimp platter. Actually, they have the shrimp platter with the 8 shrimp, or they got 2 chicken strips and I think 4 shrimps or something like that. And then they have another one. It's like little fish fillets that you can get with it too for $5. I'm like so stoked on the price though. It's a good price. $5. That's not bad. Let's get a little bit of regular tartar sauce. What do y'all eat your shrimp with? Do y'all eat it with tartar sauce? Do y'all eat it with lemon or what else is there? Cocktail sauce? Let me know what y'all eat your shrimp with. If I don't have lemon on hand, I'll eat tartar sauce. If I don't have tartar sauce in hand, I'll eat it with lemon. The shrimp that I make, I'll put a little notification so y'all can go watch that video. But the shrimp that I make, I have to eat that shrimp with lemon. I don't know what it is, but me making the shrimp myself, I always have to eat it with lemon. There's nothing, no say so about it. Lemon it is. who likes to dunk their biscuit with their mashed potatoes. I just so love eating the mashed potatoes with the bread or the biscuit. I'm sorry, churches. Let me know what kind of day you're having today. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy, cold? Let me know. I know it's real cold here. It's like cold, cold. And then, oh my gosh, coming home today, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and me thinking that, okay, 4 o'clock, nobody's getting off, you know, all these contractors that work all around here, they're not going to get off till like 5:30, right? Yeah, right. I get out of work. I'm going down the road, you know, because I work into the next plant. It's maybe about 5 miles, maybe, to get there. And we're getting there, and then I'm like, okay, there ain't going to be that many cars. Look, it's so slow. I'm going to be drive through, and then I'm be on my way. Yeah, right. Plus, the freaking cops are sitting right there. One sitting right here, one sitting at the light, and it's like, holy moly, why are all these cops sitting out here? You should have been here this morning when they had the accident. What's up, babe? You know, they come out in the afternoon, mind you. Highway patrol. Oh shoot. Highway patrol and police cars come out in the afternoons. Okay? Where are these cop cars or these cop people in the mornings? Where these vehicles, cars or trucks or whoever they are driving so crazy, want to hurry up and get to their job site or get to the gate that they need to go to, driving so fast that they cause an accident. This morning, mind you, an example. 3 cars. Well, 2 cars and a truck. One car was all busted up on the driver's side. All the left side was all busted up. Bad. Ooh, a jalapeno bomber. Look at that. A hot little sucker. Anyways. The truck. The car was right here. The truck was right here. I should show you a little clip of it. I recorded it. Truck was busted up in the front. If I can remember. I don't know, yeah. In the front, it was messed up. The third car was a little bit down. All the way in the ditch. In the fence. The headlights were towards us. The back end of the car was like inside, like over the... It broke the fence. Let's just say that. If you looked at it, you could tell it broke the fence. It was sitting like halfway where the fence is. It was sitting like in the middle of it. Crazy. I mean, I don't understand when people are going to learn. Hey, slow down. You don't have to drive that fast. You'll get to work. And if you want to get to work, you know, on time or whatever, leave from your house early enough. Why drive so fast to get somewhere and you know something might happen? Leave early. Take your time. Drive the speed limit. Sometimes it don't work like that. Some people are just so hard-headed that they don't. They're so hard-headed that they just drive the way they want. Hold on, baby. What's on your eye? Hold on. So yeah, I mean, these cars want to be driving so fast, and you know what? And the way that we go to work in that town, and like going towards my job, um, every week there's one or two accidents on that road. Never fails. Never fails. There's always an accident. Hold on, baby. Now, you know, who am I to say, hey, y'all need to slow down, you know? But, geez, don't they realize you have family? Oh, I don't know if they have kids. I don't know if they have a wife or, you know, whoever. They have a mom and dad. They have sisters and brothers that care for them. You know, why don't you drive slow? What if something major happens? What if you pass away? Don't you think that they're gonna be like, why? Why did you do this? Why, you know, what was the reason why you were driving fast? Or like the person that caused the accident. You know? It's always something going down that road. You know? Somebody always drives too fast and loses control. Loses their well, no, but or they try to overcorrect what happened, and you know, and it goes wrong. You're driving so fast and you hit another vehicle, and it's not because of an animal. Yeah, that tells you right there. Don't be driving fast. The guy hooked me up. He gave me extra shrimp. I like this lemon one. It tastes really good. It was funny because I told the guy, I was like, yeah, I go, you know, I do reviews on food, right? Just to see what he was going to say. The dude laughed at me. Really? Why do you want to be laughing at me? I'm serious. I do reviews. I do them on YouTube, and I showed him my phone. He went like that. Oh, okay. Like, alright. I said, everything better be in the bag. I hope I got everything. I got my honey. I got my tartar sauce. I got this. You did make sure I had this in there. You got everything, ma'am. You got everything. Don't worry. You got everything. You're fine. You sure? Yes, ma'am. Like, after I told him that, he was like on his toes after that. But he did laugh. I was like, you'll see the review in a couple of days. Actually, today. After I edit it and everything. But, yeah. It was funny whenever I told him that. Just like today. Shh. Don't tell nobody. But I was at work and I was editing my video while I was at work. So, yeah. It was so funny. Because one girl that works with me, she was passing by the office. No, she was walking in and passing by the office. And I was over there looking at my video. And then a part came out that I burped. And it went burp. And the lady's like, I was like, oh, excuse me. She was like, really? And I think that was, yeah, she was like, really? I was like, I'm sorry. And then a little bit later, she comes back by. I was like, what, you want to listen to me burp again? I was like, burp. She started laughing at me. She was like, damn, girl. She goes, you know how to burp. I was like, girl, that's my thing. That is my thing. I burp all the time. I burp with water. It's just my thing. I'm always burping. Anyway, since me and my husband have been together, and we've been together for quite a bit of years now, and before I got with him, I didn't watch that much TV. I mean, I hardly watch TV. And since me and him have been together, I've watched so much, so many movies, so many TV shows. It's not even funny. I mean, I've watched a lot. And it's like, if there's a new movie coming out and we don't want to wait for it to come out on TV or on VHS or DVD or whatever. VHS. Come on now. We haven't had VHS in years. Listen to me. Wow. But you all know what I mean. I mean, if we can't wait till, we'll go watch it at the movies. And, but if it's something that we can wait until we can watch it at home, we'll do that. But, yeah, it's our little thing that we do all the time. We watch movies. Like, every time we get paid, we go to watch a movie. And that's like every 2 weeks. We'll go watch a new movie. I've watched a lot of movies since I've been with him, so. And we don't go nowhere. We don't do nothing. and go to the movies. We go to the movies. We come, go shopping, buy, you know, some stuff here and there, and stuff we need for the house. Stuff we need for the house, you know, little things here and there, or whatever. And come home, and I'll go wash clothes, or we'll go watch a movie, or he'll go in his little man cave, and I'll be in our room, and that's it. That's our weekend. We don't do nothing. Sunday we relax all day long. We don't do nothing. Football season, he's watching his football on Sundays when he's off. But other than that, we don't go nowhere. We don't do nothing. We just stay home. I mean, and you know what? We're fine with that. We don't need to go out drinking. We don't need to go to any bar. We don't need to go and, you know, get into anything. I mean, we rather just stay out of trouble, stay out of, you know, all that kind of drama that's out there, and it just be me and him, you know? So, I mean, we're fine with that. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing that we're able just to be at home and not have to be out there at the clubs and be out there, you know, up to no good, you know. We love that we can just come home and turn on the TV, turn on a movie, and that's it, you know. That's it for us, you know. That's all we need. We don't need all that drama in our life. And we're okay with that. And that's a good thing. So, come on, y'all get full off of this plate. Man, I got full. I'm full because I got the okra. You get the sides, your drink, your biscuit. So yeah, you will get full off of this food. But anyway, well, that's it for my video today. I hope everybody has a great morning, noon, night, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notified when I post a video. Yes, y'all want to get notified. My Snapchat and my Instagram are in the description box below. My email address is down there too. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think of my video. Bye.